Hello. Good morning. My name is Dora. What is your name?
Good morning. My name is Sophia. Nice to meet you, Dora.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thank you. The weather is very nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and beautiful.
I like sunny days too. Do you often come to the park in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I walk here to relax. How about you?
I usually come here to walk and read a book. Today, I just wanted some fresh air.
That's nice. Reading in the park sounds very peaceful.
Yes, it is. So, Sophia, where are you from?
I'm from Phnom Penh. And you?
I'm from Siem Reap, but now I live here.
Oh, I see. I love Siem Reap. The temples are very beautiful.
Yes, they are. Many people visit Angkor Wat every year.
That's true. Dora, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, walking, and listening to music. And you? What do you like?
I like drawing pictures and watching movies.
That's interesting. Maybe one day you can show me your drawings.
Sure, I'd like that.
Great. Well, it's very nice to meet you today, Sophia.
Nice to meet you too, Dora. I hope we can talk again next time.
Yes, see you again. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.